Okay, so what we're doing first for the task, we're doing the CMC download. Pretty much use the laptop to hook it up to the aircraft and download all the information that we need to send it out. And our technician for today, we have Trey in Dallas. He's hooking up a GPU, so we don't have to turn on the aircraft and perform this task.
Switch CMC to enable.
What are you plugging in, Trey?
Plug in the CMC cable.
Alright. To the maintenance panel. And your cable is only like one way, right? You can't really mix it up both sides.
One way. This.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got the USB. Gotcha. Ours hooks up through the VGA for some weird reason.
Okay, make sure it's in enable. This point is 959. Go to new folder. And 959. And you want to go to the airplane dash 25.4. Automatic. It should download.
Save it to the folder. Got it.
Go to desktop. Save it to 959, the aircraft phone, and it's gonna ask you, do you want to clear your data? And you say okay.
Which is part of the task.
Right. So where is it? Okay, exit. And then you want to go to your email and send it to MOC, your maintenance base.
Right, gotcha.